Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fill out a Western Union money order for rent. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, purchase a Western Union money order for the exact amount of your rent payment. Before filling it out, double-check that the printed amount matches the amount you paid for the money order. Next, look for the section labeled Pay to the order of or Pay to. In this section, write the full name of your landlord, property manager, or apartment company exactly as requested in your lease or payment instructions. Make sure the spelling is correct because money orders are difficult to change once completed. After that, fill out your information in the purchaser, sender, or from section. Write your full legal name and your current address clearly using black or blue ink. Next, find the memo or payment for section. Here, write information related to your rent payment, such as your apartment number, unit number, or the month the rent is for. For example, you can write something like, Rent App 204, May 2026. This helps your landlord apply the payment correctly. Then, sign the front of the money order in the purchaser signature section. Do not sign the back because that section is reserved for the recipient when they cash or deposit the money order. Before giving the money order to your landlord, detach and keep the receipt portion for your records. The receipt includes tracking information that can help confirm whether the money order has been cashed. Once everything is completed, hand the money order to your landlord or mail it to the address provided for rent payments. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.